Hey guys, welcome back to our channel
Born
Foodies. Today we are going to do a Big Bite Challenge. It means we'll be having 3 rounds in this and we'll be taking 3 different
types of
types of food.
which was available in Domino's.
Yeah,
We
and
select
for the
the
first round we are taking
Burger pizza.
yeah. So now we'll be weighing weighing this
burgers. Burger pizza.
It is 161 grams. And Siddharth have
143 grams.
143 grams.
You have
now-
to see the difference anyway.
Yeah,
So,
after eating we'll be seeing the difference.
161, 143.
Yeah,
You
161
remember?
and 143.
Mm.
You remember yours?
I know mine 143 is a different kind of a number. So,
So
although
who's going to go first?
this time also.
You go first. Or shall I go first?
At a time.
At a
Not
time?
first, not second.
Okay. So ready?
Hey. Yes, sir. I'm ready. 3,
3, 2, 1. I ate more.
how is it possible, bro?
Arey, because see, in my thing the stuffing was on this side, so I ate more of stuffing.
But I ate the big bite, Ray. Something's wrong, Ray.
Let's take it again. We'll see.
What?
You want calculator or something?
No. 161 minus 116, na? Kitna?
45, as you told.
That's it. So minus 43. I ate 43 grams. You ate
Siddharth
40.
did.
Arey,
Show your face.
1 minute.
Even then.
Arey, shit. Arey, 2 grams mein, I think I lost my first round, but I had the bigger bite. I almost ate it half.
But my mouth was filled with the stuffing in it. Anyway, the burger got also, moved a little bit. So anyway,
So,
I won with
2
grams.
Let's see, Ray. Let's see.
And we forgot to tell you that if whoever loses a round,
They have to
They have to eat
one
a chili.
bite of chili. Only
yeah,
one bite, not
of
one
chili.
chili.
Obviously, one bite of chili.
So,
So we have our second round food. This is stuffed garlic bread.
yeah.
So before this, Siddharth is going to eat this big chili.
Not the whole thing.
Not the whole thing, one bite, one big bite. Like, is it spicy? Like the last one?
It's not tasty.
Yeah. Obviously, chili won't be tasty.
It's not like the tasty chili.
Yeah.
It's the grass.
It is not spicy.
It is spicy, but not spicy for Siddharth.
Oh. Let me see. I shouldn't lose this.
I can have now.
Yeah, you can drink. Anyway, so ready for the second round.
Chalo.
If I win this, I'm the winner of this challenge. If Siddharth wins, first let's measure the quantity.
Shit, Ray. I removed
No,
everything.
it's okay. We can put on place on that. It is 202 grams. Now let's weigh Siddharth's.
Again, you'll cry for this corn.
214.
What's yours?
Mine 202.
Minus 214.
214.
Let's see.
Are you ready?
8 minutes bro.
Three, two, one.
I think I lost.
When I feel the same. My mouth is fully stuffed with bread. It was very hard chewing it.
I think I got cramp also. Just kidding. But it pained there. 145. 202 minus 144.
Look at it. 144.
Take it. 144.
144.
202 minus 144. 144 60. So 58. You ate 58.
58 grams. I completed 58 grams. Two not I ate.
58. 58. You ate 58. I also ate 58.
You ate 56.
Huh?
Huh?
158 Ray.
158.
56
Huh?
Arey, it's not.
1 second, I'll get the calculator. That is better.
Arey, correct only. Idhar aa. Arey, next time if I'll eat more than 5 grams, na? If I eat more than 5 grams, then draw.
Then draw.
It's not win because already I lost. But if I eat more than 5 grams,
Okay.
because now the difference is 4, I'm giving extra 1 gram buffer
Okay.
also.
So now you guys know who is the winner?
Not yet decided. We have one more round, Ray.
Anyway, this round winner is. Take some bite.
I took the biggest. Should I remove? I should show.
Not required.
Very spicy now.
So for our third challenge, we have pizza.
For you next time.
We'll see. If you can eat more than 5 grams, then more than 5 grams. If it is 5 grams also, I will not eat. Okay?
More? Arey?
Obviously, more than 5 grams. Okay, ठीक है 5 grams. If you eat 5 grams, 5 grams and above?
5 and above.
5 and above.
5 and above, then our beta will take punishment and it's a draw and then I win. Basically, my luck is nice, na? Last time also I won. What are you? Again, I did something.
293. Yeah, 293 grams. 287. 293, 287.
Okay?
Ready?
Ready matlab wait, let me.
So we'll start in 3, 2, 1. Start.
You start. I expected we same shit I'm doing. I expected you'll do that only. Oh, 3 bites. And it's okay if I lose also no problem. But I can't eat that much. How much was yours?
297.
293. Mine was 287. 245.
245.
293 minus 245. 235, 287. Calculator. 252 grams.
52. 48.
अरे अरे shit. But अरे नहीं रे. एक मिनट. Something wrong happened. Something.
Enough.
Wait. Hey, 1 gram रे. 1 gram.
Anyway,
अरे
the
1
loser
gram.
of this round.
अरे 1 gram रे. 1 second रे. अरे somewhere something wrong happened. This. अरे even that didn't reduce.
So he ate 4 grams more than me,
Hmm.
but still, I'm the winner of today's challenge.
अरे no, अरे.
Anyway, okay, I'm the loser of this round, so I'll be eating chili.
Draw, अरे 4 grams रे. It's equal. Yes, draw. Draw. What do you think? Draw. Draw, please. Bro, please, bro. I won this round now, bro. Are you do these actions later, Ray? Draw.
We'll spin the bottle in a second. Oh my god!
Ray, that is pure fate, Ray. It's not even in my hands, Ray. That won't spin, bro.
It will spin, bro.
Trial. Do a trial.
It's a trial.
That must spin is enough.
I will spin more. So we'll spin. Ready? To decide.
3
winner?
rounds or only one?
Only one.
How will you decide, Ray?
I mean, cap.
If
But
a
it-
point somewhere left.
See.
Oh, this
This is-
stuff
mm.
with. Done.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2,
Mm.
1. Oh shit, wait.
Take on that plate. Keep
I got the plate.
Mm.
Ready?
Ready.
I hope they shouldn't blast with the gas in it. Ready? 3,
It should blast, that's it.
1.
Bro, what is this? Once more. It's middle. It's middle, Ray. Ray, itna.
Ready? Again.
Again. I know you did some shit spin. But nice spin. Nice spin! I won!
Hey,
It's towards my side. So I won. I won the challenge, Ray. Okay, as it was not in the rules before, one more spin you do.
Okay.
For your sake. This is final.
This is final.
Matlab? Final only. Whoever it is, they'll win. Actually, I won, but I'm giving one more chance.
Actually.
Okay, actually I didn't.
3, 2, 1.
I was a spinner.
You told it. Final bowl ke.
Okay. See you next challenge again.
Same. Always it is the same.
But this challenge I won. We ate same way. Same. It was competitive. Last time it was not competitive.
It was little competitive.
Last time it
Oh my
was.
god, the chili is burning.